Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Reet. Eid Mubarak to all of you. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I created this soft glam makeup look that is perfect for Eid. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Before starting my makeup, I used Skin Boost from the Body Shop. It has vitamin C in it and it's really good if you have dull or tired or grumpy looking skin, as it really brings out that plumpiness on your face. For my primer today, I'm gonna be using Benefit's the Porefessional primer. I'm using this for the first time. I'm just gonna put it just around my T-zone area and a little on my forehead as well. And then I'm gonna just blend it into my skin just with my fingers. Now that I'm done with my primer, I'm gonna go over my foundation, and for that today I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation in shade 240. I'm just gonna take 2-3 pumps, and then I'm gonna take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna put it all over my face. It really gives that great finish with brush, and after that I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender to give it more of a natural and flawless kind of look. And now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna spray makeup setting spray on it. And I'm just gonna dab my foundation into my skin. Also make sure you're putting the foundation into your hairline and also on your neck. After my foundation, I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and for that I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Concealer in shade 230. And I'm just gonna make triangle kind of shape under my eyes. Always make sure that you're covering the full part of your under eye and not leaving anything, and always bring your concealer up to your cheeks, creating a wing at the end of your eye. And then I'm gonna put a little on the bridge of my nose, and then I'm gonna put on my forehead and a little on my chin. And then I'm gonna take the damp beauty blender again and I'm gonna dab it into my foundation. So I'm just gonna look up while dabbing, and then I'm gonna blend it into my foundation. For setting up my concealer and my foundation, I'm gonna use Blur and Set Matte Blue Setting Powder from Milk Makeup. And I'm just gonna take it on my damp beauty blender, and I'm gonna look up and apply it under my eyes on both sides. Just apply a little on my forehead, around my nose, around my mouth, and then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna brush the powder off. Now I'm gonna give a little warmth to my face, and for that I'm gonna use Anastasia's contour kit in shade light to medium. This is my absolute favorite contour kit, and it has really good shades and the pigmentation is really good as well. So I'm just gonna take the bronzer color over here, and then I'm gonna apply it on my brush, and I'm gonna apply it just right behind the apple of my cheeks. So I'm just gonna keep a very light hand. First I'm gonna dab it, and once I feel that enough product is on my cheeks, I'm gonna start blending it. So I'm just gonna go in round motions, and also I'm gonna put some on my forehead. So next up I'm gonna do highlighter, and for that I'm using a very light golden shimmery color, and I'm just putting it on my cheekbones. I'm using a very fluffy brush and I'm using very light hand as well so that it blends into my foundation properly. A little on my forehead as well. For contouring my nose, I'm just gonna take a little fluffy brush, and I'm using the same contour shade that I used on my cheeks, and I'm just gonna apply it on sides of my nose. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and blend it out. And then I'm gonna take my highlighter color and just put it on tip of my nose and right here on the bridge. I'm gonna take my brush and blend it. For my blush today, I'm gonna use Milk Makeup's Lick and Cheek blush in shade Werk, and I'm just gonna apply it on my apple of my cheeks and drag it a little behind. And then I'm gonna take my 2 fingers and just blend it into my foundation. And then I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and just go over, just to make sure that it's blended properly and no harsh lines are left behind. For building the base of my eye makeup, I'm gonna use LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my eye. This basically helps me by giving a beautiful canvas for my eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna blend it with my finger. And then I'm gonna go in with my setting powder, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelid as well. For my eye makeup today, I'm gonna be using Jaclyn Hill's palette Volume 2. For my crease shade, I'm gonna use the shade called Grateful. It's this brown color here. I'm gonna take it on my fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna put it on my crease. And then the next shade that I'm gonna use right underneath my crease is called Home Body. It's this dark brown camel color here. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna just apply it all over the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just gonna go right under my crease on the outer corner. I'm just gonna pat it. And then I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and blend it together. For inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna use the shade called Get Ready With Me. It's right here. This is a very beautiful glittery color. And I'm gonna take it on my flat brush, and I'm just gonna pat it on my inner corners. Basically 1/3 of my eye. And then I'm gonna go in again with my fluffy brush and blend it together. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the same shade I used on my crease, that is Grateful. I'm just gonna take it on precision brush and I'm just gonna blend it in on my lower lash line. And taking my fluffy brush again, I'm gonna blend it in. For my eyeliner today, I'm gonna be using Maybelline's Master Precise eyeliner in shade Black. I'm trying to create a very dramatic winged eyeliner, and it's gonna be very bold as well. So I'm just gonna start from the inner corner and drag it all the way to the outer corner. I'm also gonna put eyeliner on my lower lash line, and for that I'm gonna use NYX's Retractable eyeliner in shade black. It's basically a crayon eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take my precision brush. I'm gonna go over and blend it into my lower lash line eyeshadow. Just gonna look up and try to blend it in together. For my lipstick today, I'm gonna use Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in shade Amazonian. And I'm just gonna apply it all over my lips. For finishing off my makeup, I'm gonna use Morphe's Continuing Setting Mist, and I'm just gonna put it all over my face. Thank you so much guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was helpful for all of you. Please hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, and I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys.